Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open RAM 1500 Key Fob, updated. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a CR2032 battery. Start by removing the mechanical key from the fob and set it aside. Gently pry the seam using the screwdriver while protecting the fob with the cloth. Once open, note battery orientation and any plastic clips so you can reassemble cleanly and confidently. Begin by removing the mechanical key, then locate the small seam beside the key slot. Insert the small flathead screwdriver into the seam and twist gently while holding the fob steady. Move the screwdriver around the edge to loosen the clips without bending plastic. Keep fingers clear of the internal circuit board and small parts. Once the halves separate, lift the top off carefully to expose the battery and internal components for inspection or replacement. Check the battery orientation so you install the new CR2032 correctly, positive side up as shown in the holder. Carefully remove the old cell and insert the fresh battery, pressing down gently until it seats. Inspect the rubber buttons and circuit board for debris or damage. Align the top and bottom halves, then press firmly around the edges until each clip snaps into place. Test the fob buttons and reinsert the mechanical key to finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.